If you followed our previous adventures, you noticed we were based in Palermo to visit the city, Capogallo and the beautiful Cefalù. For the second part of the trip, we took the bus to Castellammare del Golfo, the fortress on the Gulf. We can't wait to show you this charming town and its beaches.
We arrived to Castellammare and just checked into our Airbnb apartment.
The weather doesn't look great for today and the next days. It will get better exactly when we will leave, but we are quite used to unlucky situations. So we'll see. Normally I don't think it rains that much.
And we heard there is a nice ice cream shop nearby. Probably we're gonna visit that today.
We're just happy we have a very nice apartment.
Today we woke up a bit late and now we are here at the beach. We have around 2 hours and after, unfortunately, it will start to rain, so we will try to get the most out of it and hopefully in the late afternoon we can come back after the rain.
Kitty. Want to get some lemons? Second time today that we managed to avoid the rain. Yesterday it was the same, so we were down at the harbor. We took some pictures and we managed to come back to the apartment. And the Airbnb host came to bring us a bottle of wine, some arancina and some sweets, some Sicilian sweets. So we are having now our lunch with arancina, whilst in the meantime outside it's raining a lot. Plus standards. This should be with meat filling. Nice. Which one is the biggest? One for me and one for David.
Ready for lunch?
Of course.
Dig in.
It's the first arancina that doesn't break when I bite it.
How is the taste?
Ham and mozzarella. Very creamy. Nice texture. The dessert we got looks delicious. Can't wait to begin. Woohoo!
We just had a brioche ice cream.
Yes, yes. Now it's starting the messaging.
And now we came to this viewpoint.
We are overlooking the harbor and we are making our way down. Almost there.
We made it to the harbor.
I think we made the right choice because we were thinking, shall we do first the ice cream with the brioche or shall we do the harbor first? And we went for the ice cream and now we are here so we can enjoy the sunset. There are a lot of colors.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
And at the back you can see like a group of clouds. They are all together and it looks very cool because they are right in the center of the harbor. With ricotta, iris with cream.
Delicious.
Has a bit of chocolate as well. And then we reached this gorgeous wild beach. We put you the coordinates on the caption. We are not gonna tell you how to reach it. You need to do the same way we did. You need to ask a local. Emerald waters and huge orangey cliffs. This place was unreal. We took advantage of this amazing spot to just chill and breathe the salty air. Good morning everyone. So this is our last day. This afternoon we will take the flight back to Trieste airport and we just bought amazing cookies for my parents from a special bakery that they are specialized just in this particular biscuits. Now we are going to see the sea. We will go also to a sort of viewpoint. See you there.
As you can see, we reached the harbor one last time. Such a beautiful day today. And a few more hours and we're gonna head to the airport.
The ticket to the viewpoint has been donated by a local service club. It's called the Rotary, you might know it because it's international. And they call it the Peace ladder, so it takes you up here. Yeah, it's quite nice. It's the only viewpoint we reached here in Castellammare, but it's good because you have the view on the port. shy.
This is the castle of Castellammare.
In 1 hour we are leaving for the airport. We are eating in front of the sea and saying goodbye to Sicily. Enjoy!
You can see the beautiful sea behind me.
Yes, somebody is hungry watching us. Getting closer and closer. Panther. Bye, kitty. This was the first real trip of our sabbatical year. Hope you liked it. We are still trying to improve our techniques of editing and shooting and filming. And give a thumbs up if you liked it. Give a thumbs down if you didn't like it. And don't forget to subscribe.
The mask towards you. Remove your room from it.
And that's it for this week. We showed you Castellammare del Golfo, and next week don't miss the last Sicilian video of a day trip to Scopello. Stay tuned because something happened.
From the factory.